Today I'm going to teach you how to fix reconciliation mistakes in Xero bank accounts. Whether you've accidentally reconciled a transaction to the wrong account or noticed an error after the fact, knowing how to undo and correct these mistakes is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to access your bank accounts. Click on Accounting in the top navigation bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Bank Accounts. This section is where all your connected bank accounts are managed and reconciled. You'll now be directed to a page displaying a list of all the bank accounts that are linked to your Xero account. This overview gives you a clear view of each account's current balance and recent activity. On this page, locate and select the specific bank account where you need to fix a reconciliation mistake. Clicking on it will take you to that account's transaction overview, where you can see all incoming and outgoing transactions in detail. From the account's transaction overview page, look for the Reconcile tab and click on it. This will bring you to the reconciliation interface where you can match transactions with your bank statement. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all your transactions, both incoming and outgoing, that are ready to be reconciled or have already been reconciled. Now, if you've identified a transaction that was reconciled incorrectly, you'll need to head back to the account's transaction page. From the list of transactions, locate and select the one that contains the error or mistake. Clicking on it will direct you to the transaction overview page, where you can see all the details associated with that specific transaction. Take a moment to carefully review the transaction to confirm that it does indeed contain an error. This step is important because once you unreconcile a transaction, it affects your records. Once you've confirmed the mistake, look to the top right part of the page where you'll find an Options button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Unreconcile. A warning prompt will now appear on your screen. This message is important as it states that all linked accounts and transactions associated with this reconciliation will be removed. This ensures you understand the impact of undoing the reconciliation. Click OK to confirm that you want to proceed with unreconciling the transaction. Now that the transaction has been unreconciled, head back to the Reconcile page. Look through your statements to find the one that has the error. When you locate it, click on Add Details on the right side panel. This will open up the Item Line page or Totals section where you can make the necessary corrections. Whether it's adjusting the amount, changing the account code, or updating the description, make sure all the details are accurate. Once you've corrected all the information, save the transaction by clicking the appropriate Save button. Now you're ready to reconcile it again, this time with the correct information. Click OK to complete the reconciliation process, and your records will now reflect the accurate data. And that's it. You've successfully identified, unreconciled, corrected, and re-reconciled a transaction in Xero, ensuring your financial records remain accurate and reliable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.